Good afternoon. Good Tuesday afternoon to you, fellow Americans. More specifically, this is for you guys in Missouri. Went to the mailbox today and received those dreaded bills that you get at the end of the year, every year. And that's your real estate tax and your personal property tax. Now, I don't like any tax, but I mean I can understand. I'm okay with the real estate tax. I'm okay with that, you know, for the most part. But damn it, the personal property tax is ridiculous, and it's unfair. It's unfair. And well, when you think about the real estate tax is unfair too, and I'll get back to the personal property tax here in a minute, but let's talk about the real estate tax for a minute. And I know I stated that I'm okay with it, kind of, sort of. But when you think about it, the real estate tax is not fair. Because if you're a homeowner, then, or if you own any land or anything, you're the one that's paying that tax. Nobody else. Nobody else is paying. If they don't own property, they're not paying no tax. But yet they benefit from everything else. Your real estate tax goes to schools and whatnot. And they use that money for other stuff. So the people who aren't, like I said, stated, the people who are not paying real estate tax is benefiting from you and me. That is, if you're paying real estate tax. And that's not a fair tax. It's not fair at all. So now let me go to personal property tax. This is the one that really gets me, is the personal property tax. Because basically what you're taxed on is if you own vehicles, or I kind of bit my tongue there for a minute. Ouch. So anyways, back to what I was saying. If you own vehicles, motorcycles, whatnot, then you're taxed on that. Now, with a vehicle, you've already paid taxes on that in the form of sales tax. When you go buy a vehicle, you're paying a sales tax. So you're taxed there. Every year, everything that you do to that vehicle, your upkeep on it, oil changes, tires, all that stuff, you're generating tax. You're through sales tax. You don't have to pay sales tax on labor if your car is getting fixed, but you got to pay sales tax on them parts. Parts are taxable, labor's not. Which to me, that's kind of weird in and of itself. But for us to have to keep paying a tax every year on something that we've already paid taxes on in the form of sales taxes, that's not fair taxation either. What about all the people that don't have vehicles? You know, they still benefit from the revenue that the personal property tax generates. They're benefiting from it through some form or another. What we need to do, and I'm speaking more or less for Missouri because I don't know other states. I don't know how other states operate, whether they have personal property tax and real estate tax and stuff like that. I don't know their ins and outs in other states. I just know here in Missouri, we have a real estate tax and we have personal property tax. So we have 3 vehicles, 3, and we're taxed $750.72 for those vehicles. That's not right. That's not a fair tax. And then on our real estate, we have to pay a $365 tax. So we have to pay $1,000 basically a year in taxes for stuff that we've already basically paid tax on, with the exception of real estate. Well, if you like myself, I live in a manufactured home, so I had to pay sales tax on that. So in essence, I've already paid taxes on that. So what I'm saying for us here in Missouri, and I will panhandle for signatures to get this on the ballot. Here in Missouri, we need to get rid of the personal property tax here in Missouri. And the way we can do that is to get it on a ballot. You get the real estate tax repeal. That's what you could call it, the Real Estate Repeal Act. Let's get it on the ballot here in Missouri, you folks. I'll help you get signatures. We'll get them, and then we'll get it on the ballot. Get it on the ballot, and we'll vote the damn thing out. It can happen. But the people got to step up and say, you know what? We want this gone. There might be a comment section on this video right here. If there is, you hit me up. And like I said, I'll work. I'll do something. I'll help get the signatures. There's got to be somebody out there. One of you all have to be smarter than me, anyways, in regards to getting stuff on ballots here in Missouri. That's my thought. So, anyways, you guys take care, and let's take action. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America.